This is how to add linked radio buttons to a chart in Excel to filter by something like quarter. Developer tab, insert the radio button, and then let's draw it in. We're going to click inside of there and press delete to get rid of the existing text, and then let's go with Q1 because that matches our data in the bottom. You can then right click and copy paste, or you can Control C and Control V, and then you need to move each one into place. We're doing an entire year, so we're going to go with the 4 quarters. So we need 4 buttons, and they're each going to be Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. So we need to go into each one and update the text appropriately. Now that we have these, let's right click and link to A1, and then let's go with 3D shading. I find that looks a little bit better for these and checkboxes. And so let's right click on each one, and you can see that these are already linked to A1, so we're all set, but we're just gonna check the 3D shading box and hit OK and do it for the last one. Okay. And now when you click on these, you can see the number at the top is updating. Now we need the filter function. So we're gonna select our entire array at the bottom, comma, the first column or quarter equals A1. And now you can see that your data is updating based on which quarter. Let's add a visual real quick with region and sales. So we selected those cells and we're gonna insert a bar chart up here. And let's go with a 3D one. And let's move this into place and we can resize it down. And then let's change the color to something like a gray. And now as you click, you can see that it's adjusting. And then let's white out that number at the top. So we're gonna change the font to white. And now right click and let's add data labels. And now as you test out your quarter, everything updates.